So at my parents' old house, we had a pickup truck that was mine, and it was all set up for wood. I can show you a picture of that here right now. And it was just, you could stand up the splitter, you could pull right next up to the wood, throw it in the back, drive it home, stack it. Worked absolutely phenomenal. At this new place that my parents are at, everything's a little bit different. We don't have that truck at this property anymore. I'm actually using it as a daily driver to save on my new rig, and it just didn't work out. But so we're trying to figure things out here in this video of how to kind of split again, and going how probably most of the people do it, which isn't a bad way to go, but the other way was just so slick. So we got a sauna, and we're splitting just a little bit of that for that when we're behind on everything, but it is what it is when you take a move to a new place and start a new adventure. So